Porsche supports power wherever it's needed, not at any price, but with a sense of the requirements of everyday use and of what is required of a sports car. That is how we understand responsibility, and we've been exercising it by noticeably reducing fuel consumption and CO2 emissions in the new Panamera models. Engines with a lightweight construction and engine downsizing, like in the new Panamera S and 4S, are possible ways of observing this principle. Another is the enhanced auto start-stop function. As you approach a waiting situation and start to brake, it switches the engine off as you are pulling up. The engine starts again as soon as the brake is released or you move the steering wheel. To save even more fuel in certain situations, the coasting function can be used. The engine is decoupled to prevent its braking effect. In the Panamera SE Hybrid, the engine is switched off. The car uses its momentum and can coast for longer distances. The result is that you save fuel quite comfortably.